Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing great today. As usual, you are cooking with Nkiru. I am excited to share with you one of my favorite go-to dinner recipes after a very busy work day and I get home too tired to stand forever in the kitchen cutting and chopping and dicing ingredients. This recipe is very easy to make, yet super delicious. Without wasting precious time, join me in the kitchen. Let's cook. I'll list full ingredients in the description box. Let's pay attention and get the details of preparing the food. Add pre-washed rice in the pot. Add turmeric powder, onion powder, chicken bouillon, curry powder, dried thyme, garlic powder, and sazon mix. Now mix very well to incorporate and then go ahead and add protein of choice. I used boneless, skinless chicken breast cut to bite sizes. Add pre-cooked pigeon peas. Draining is not necessary. Add salt and mix to combine very well. Go ahead and add water and oil. I used extra virgin olive oil, but mind you, you can use oil of your choice. I added 1 scotch bonnet pepper without grinding it. I only want the flavor. I don't want the food to be spicy. Cover the pot and bring it to a boil. Now that it is boiling, cover it with a foil and then the lid. Reduce the heat to low and allow the food to simmer for 15 minutes. Now go ahead and add the mixed vegetables. I want you to observe how beautiful the food looks and it's delicious too. Cover it again and simmer for additional 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, go ahead and gently turn the food. You want to incorporate everything. You don't want to see patches of spices and seasonings. And then the super deliciousness is ready. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more like it, kindly go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so. And give us thumbs up, please. That helps the promotion of the channel. I sincerely appreciate your love and support. Share the video with your friends and family. Thank you and God bless you. Bye-bye.